not wearing any makeup. So this just arrived. I was not planning to film, and I thought, you know, once I got this, I thought why not do an unboxing video. As you can see, this is a very huge package. So NYX has sent me this package. NYX has turned 2 years old in Nykaa website. So yeah, and this wouldn't have happened if it weren't for you guys watching. So yeah, thank you so much for your support in this journey of mine. So yeah, I'm going to show you now what I have received, and there's a little giveaway goodie bag as well inside, which I'm so excited. One lucky winner is also going to win that as well. So yeah, let's open this up. Oh, and here's a NYX mirror. Here's a NYX mirror over here. It's a pretty good mirror. I always wanted a NYX mirror, you guys. So I'm so glad I got a NYX mirror. I'm more glad. I'm like very excited in the sense I'm more happy that I got a NYX mirror, you know. So yeah, this is the mirror. Can't wait to use this for the tutorial. Oh, this is so cute. Here's a NYX Selfie ring light. I'll also put this in the giveaway since I already have a ring light. And here's Worth the Hype. Let's keep this box aside now. The box is empty. So here's the box. It's shaped as number 2, as you can see. It's so cute looking, and the quality is so nice of the box. And here, let me open this up. Wow. Can you see that? Yeah, let me just put it here. So the new launches, as you can see, are the soft matte lip creams and the metallic soft matte lip creams as well over here this side. Let me just see. And then I also received this Soft and Rosy eyeshadow palette. This one is, I think, what's the price of here? 700 rupees. So this is something. So this is something for 700 rupees. The Soft and Rosy eyeshadow palette. So here's the eyeshadow palette, 700 rupees, Soft and Rosy, and the shades are pretty neutral and it's great for everyday kind of wear, and you can easily create a daytime and a nighttime look with these eyeshadow shades. Let me swatch it for you guys. Yeah, so pretty. So nice. I think this is easily buildable, the shade. And then this is the maroon one. Very nice. And this I think would be great for a matte smoky eye look as well. You have your shimmers and your matte. And what I really like is that it's not that powdery, the shades, so I really like that. And then these are the Total Control Drop Foundation. This one is for 1250 rupees. And then this one is their Drop Primer. This one is 1000 rupees. So I have to see which of the shades over here is going to match, and then I'm going to review it for you guys. So do comment down below what you want me to review from whatever you see over here. So now we have their micro contour duo pencil. These are the one of their new launches, and these are 600 rupees each. So basically you can use these to contour your lips and your nose. It would be great for that. So it comes in two shades. One is medium deep, which I think it's gonna suit me, and the other one is deep profound shade, which is much more deeper. This would suit someone who's slightly darker skin tone. So yeah, can't wait to try these out as well. So this is how the instructions are written over here. That's what I like about their packaging, that they always have some kind of instruction how to use their product. So over here you can use this for contouring your lips, or you can use it for contouring your nose. So I am going to just show you the swatch of the medium shade, which I think would suit me. This one over here, this would be great for, I think, highlighting the middle part of the nose. It's very creamy. And then the other shape, and then the other shade, it's also very creamy. Would be great for contouring the nose or the lips. Let's smudge it out. And then it's a nice shade. And then we have the Worth the Height mascara. Just trying to carefully remove that. So this is the mascara, Worth the Height. This one is for 700 rupees, and over here it says volumizing and lengthening mascara. So this is how the wand looks. It's pretty big and fluffy. Can't wait to try this out as well. These are the soft matte metallic lip cream. So I'm going to swatch these two shades for now, since there are a lot of lip products right there. So yeah. Oh wow. Can you see the sheen? Definitely feels lightweight. Nice pigmentation. And it smells also nice. Smells kind of fruity. So this one is called Soul, the purple one, and then the other one is called Rome. Very beautiful brown shade, and as you can see, the color payoff is pretty good. So guys, do let me know if you want me to do lip swatches and review these metallic soft matte lip creams for you guys. I will do that. And now I will swatch these two shades for you. These are their usual NYX soft matte lip cream, and I love their soft matte lip cream range. I love brown shades, so this one is in shade Los Angeles, and then the other one is called Cape Town. It's very nudish color. This one definitely needs a darker brown shade lip liner so that it blends well, in order to, or else it's gonna wash out most skin tones in India. It's very beautiful. So guys, for the giveaway, NYX has sent this very nice lovely package, this small package, so that one lucky person is going to win this. So I'll be doing a giveaway on my Instagram page, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. all of this, one lucky person is going to win. So I'll be doing a giveaway pretty soon on my Instagram page, so make sure you follow me there. So thank you so much NYX and Nykaa for sending this across to me. It's really an honor to be included in the NYX family, and this wouldn't have been possible if it weren't for you guys. And even like DM me on Instagram that whatever you have questions, I would really love to help, and it really makes me feel so nice that I feel I'm not alone in this journey. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care, you guys.